video, and it is an unboxing of the W7 mystery box. It was like a mystery box that they done for Boxing Day. They still had some available last week, and I ordered this last week, so if they've still got some available, I will link it down below. But you paid £20, I paid £20, and it's supposedly over 40 or over £50 worth of stuff that you get in this box. I did see this unboxing on Mummy Shell's channel, so I will link her channel in the cards or down below. So I actually purchased this because I seen her unbox it. My box, I don't know, it seems quite small. But we will see. I don't know, we will see. So I'm actually going to open it up and then we will unbox. I'm just going to open it. I've untaped it, and here it is. Yeah, it's all bubble wrapped well and stuff like that. So let's just get into what is in this mystery box. And if you know me, I love mystery boxes and stuff like that. So I've got lots of bubble wrap. And then I've got like an invoicey thing. Right, didn't say what items on. So the first thing that I've gotten here is this W7 London Town makeup bag. This looks really quite pretty actually. I've got loads of makeup bags, so I probably will keep this to gift to someone. I think that is really nice. It's just like a clear makeup bag. It looks a good size too, so that's not bad. And then the next thing is in this gorgeous organza bag, and it looks like foundation samples, I think. So like, because obviously they don't know what shade of foundation you are, because they don't ask you that, you know what I mean? And I can't even get into this bag. Please find and enclose some W7 Legend foundation samples to try. That's what it said in the bag. Oh, right, quite a few of these are going to be too dark for me. I can see that now because I am so pale. Can you not tell? But I make false tan, so that is the shades there. Like this one and this one definitely be too dark for me. But that is really good. Nice little touch, I think that is. And granted, I paid £20 for everything. So let's see what we're getting. Next is something in a bubble wrap. So we're going to unwrap it. Oh, these look gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. This is the Pressed to Impressed glitter palette. Oh, these are stunning. I've never used pressed like glitters. I've never really even went into like the glitter type world. I'm so happy with these. I don't want to put my fingers in them. I want to keep that excitement for when I do my eyes or when I'm playing with them. But I'm really impressed with them up to now. Next we've got something that wasn't in bubble wrap. And this is a W7 Nude lipstick in Lottie. That is it there. That's quite nice too, but I don't know, it's my shade. I'm gonna leave that closed because things I not use I can use for giveaways or presents or whatever. And then I've got this W Lashtastic False Liquid Lashes. I've actually had this before, and if I remember rightly, I quite liked it, so I'm excited about trying that again. I'm gonna have to look back. I tried that many mascaras, I can't remember. And then next, something in a another bit of bubble wrap. This is the W7 Lifted and Sculpt Face Shape and Contour Palette. These are cream products. So if you're not into cream products, you probably wouldn't like this. But that is it there. That looks really quite nice. You've got like two shades of contour, a bronzer, and then like the highlight of your cheekbones and things like that. Or you could use them as concealers if they would work like that. I think that looks really nice. I'm not really into stuff like this, so I don't know what I will do with that. I haven't decided yet. But I'm not a contoury type person. Next we've got the W7 Smoking Palette. Ooh, like an eyeshadow palette. It's a packaging here. I've never actually tried one of their big eyeshadow palettes like these. I'm quite fussy about eyeshadows because I'm a very easygoing girl. Like, I like something that's just easy I can do with my fingers. I'm not about that blending life. This looks like, I think, the dupe of the Smoky palette. I'm excited about this. This looks really quite pretty. It's got some cool tones here. And then just like your natural tones and stuff like that. That's nice. And the brushed little thing has actually got a brush on one end. So if you can see, and like one of the sponge things on the other. And it's a bulky palette, but it's not as bulky as it looks on videos. It's bulky, but it's not majorly bulky. So bulky as you'd think. And then we got some my wispy lashes, 100% human hair. Oh, handmade from genuine human hair. So we got them. And then last but not least, I know what this is, I can tell from the packet. I've actually got a mini of it, and I think I've swatched the mini, but I can't remember if I've tried the mini. But it's the W7 Glow Commotion Shimmer Highlight Eyeshadow. So I think I'm gonna, if I'm gonna look at the mini, and if I've only swatched it, I think I would probably just, if I liked it, I'd probably give the mini to a friend and keep the bigger one. This is it, yeah. This looks absolutely gorgeous. This is meant to be a dupe of the Balm Luminizer. I swatched it for you because I know I'm probably going to keep this one. So, can you see it? I think that'll show up lovely on my cheekbones. It's actually quite a nice texture. It's not really It's not really bad or anything. It's just subtle, and that's what I like. I like a subtle highlight. So I think I will like that. Now, my thoughts on this. I really quite like this box. I feel like I definitely got my £20 worth. I'm so excited about these glitters. This, I'm positive this is like £4 on its own. I definitely feel like, I don't feel like I got £50 worth. I'm looking at it. Don't feel like I got £50 worth, but I definitely feel like I got my £20 worth. I'm not disappointed with what I got. Like, I got a makeup bag, I got a lipstick, I got a mascara, and I got this W7 Lifted and Sculpt palette, but I don't think, that's one thing I don't think I will keep. I'd probably keep that if I give it away. Foundation samples. This W7 Smoking Shades Eye Contour palette. The pressed glitters, I'm so excited about them. The wispy lashes, I'm not really a lashes person. The Glow Motion. So some of the stuff I'm excited about, and some of the stuff I'm just like, but, and then some of the stuff I'm going to keep. I've just dropped the broken. Wouldn't that be my luck? I can't get it open now. No, I haven't smashed it. Yay! I like this. I think I got my £20 worth. I don't feel like I got my £50 worth. Maybe 30, 40. Because actually on the W7 website, these are like, because where I live, you find all these bargain shops like Savers, Semichem, things like that. And they always have W7 really reasonable. Whereas on the actual W7 website, which is where I purchased this from, they're a little bit more expensive. So you've got to compare it to their website prices and not Savers and Semichem's prices. So in that sense, I did get my money's worth. I definitely got my £20 worth, but I feel like I'm in the middle of the £40, £50 worth. If you know, I feel like I got £30 worth. I don't know. I like what I got though. So I hope you enjoyed this like random unboxing video of this in any ways. And if you like these type of videos, please subscribe down below if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!